What's up, guys? Today I figured I'd make a video show you guys how to use the Sense ESS Dual Plus. So if you want to load a custom sound, what you're going to do is come over here to Sound Editor, and once you have Sound Editor open, you're going to click for Cars Custom, click OK, and I have some sounds here. So little Roadrunner horn, you click open, it's going to say finished output, and it's going to pop this up. So this is your file that it output, and if we click on properties, you could see it's a .rcx file. And then if we click on this car here and we want to click horn, change, and then click from file, now you could see the wave sound file right there. This one is going to be the one you want to click on that we just created. You click open, it's going to begin writing, and yours might write a lot slower than mine does. You're going to click close, and this was lighting up on my old computer for me to listen to, but it's not now. So just to show that it works, let me disconnect it. Alright, so here's the horn I downloaded. And then again, if you want to put a different horn on, you'll hear that beep when you connect it up to your computer. So say for example, I have test 3 here. I was trying to do some motor sounds and it's not quite working. So we'll again click Sound Editor, Custom, and then we'll click Open. That file is going to be created, so I just have it called test 3 because I'm fucking around with this and it's not quite working. So then we'll come in here, and I wanted engine, but it's for some reason not working. So we'll click on test 3, we'll click install. It's going to go ahead and do the install. The important thing on this too is that you make your wave file a 16-bit. Can't be 32-bit, it has to be 16-bit. And I will click on properties and details in a moment. Alright, so once that's finished, let me connect the sound box back up. Alright, so now I connected that up, and now instead of the horn, so that's actually the motor sound I wanted to get on here, but for some reason it's not allowing me to. So anyway, that's how you change your horns, and you could do brakes and stuff like that too. But if we go back here, the important thing is if we go to properties here and then click details, you can see here the bit rate here is 1411 kbps. Now if we were to right click on, say, number 4 here, click details, you can see that's 2116 kbps. So this one will not load, and it has to be 16-bit format or it doesn't work, and I can show you that once again. So we got that connected back up to the computer. We'll wait for this to register, and then we'll click over here. We'll click delete, and then we'll click change from file, and then we'll go to my desktop and we'll click number 4, and you could see it has an error. So that was encoded in 32-bit. 32-bit does not work. It has to be 16-bit. So whatever your DAW is that you're making these with, just make sure you export it as a 16-bit wave file, but it has to be PCM. Okay, the other thing, I disconnected this, but where you saw car level sound 1 and 2, car 1 and 2, In order to change like 1 to 2, what you'll do is you'll long press the minus for the volume until you hear it beep 2 times. When you hear it beep 2 times, that's your second sound that's on your second car. Then if you wanted to get back, you would long press again and you'd hear 1 beep and it would revert back to 2.